Okay, kiddos, so I'm going to teach you how to make a hacky sack real fast with things that you probably have around your house. So let's get to it. First, get a sock. I just like have another sock folded in here, but find a sock. I have like carpet piranhas. They always eat up my socks. This is just like some random one that I found in my room. So I'm gonna use that. Thing you wanna do is find some rice because we're going to simulate that kind of like beanbaggy feeling. So ask your parents if you could borrow some rice. Any rice works. You're just gonna use a little bit. Okay, so we have our rice. We have our rice. We have our sock. You need a scrunchie or like a rubber band and a measuring cup. Cool, so let's take our measuring cup, and mine is a half a cup. A half a cup should be fine. I think any more than that will just be too much rice, and your homemade hacky sack beanbag thing will just be too heavy. And we're gonna put the rice in the sock. Weird. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nice. Okay, so obviously this is gonna be a little bit messy, so ask for help or do this outside. Okay, fill up your sock. Sweet, and it should be about the size, like a little bit smaller than the size of your hand. And I'm going to, why are there, sweet. I'm going to twist off the end, and I could tie it in a knot if you have extra like this, or for me, I'm just gonna wrap a liga around it because I think that'll secure it better. Cool. Nice. And now you have like a little tail. So what I do with this is cut it off at the end, or maybe you want to wrap it around one more time and then tie it off at the end. Okay, I actually tried it again, but I tied it into a knot and I like it better. So I'm gonna tie it into a knot. You can use your liga, and then we're gonna snip this little tail off. And there you have it, kiddos. You have a homemade hacky sack ready for PE.